Hi guys, Grant from Grant's Games and Models here. So today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to build a generic motorcycle like this. So here I'll be laying out the materials we'll be needing. Feel free to pause the video so that way you can get these materials. And let's begin. Sorry, I pre-recorded this, so now I'm just doing a voiceover. So we take two black concrete, place them 2 blocks apart, take a chisel stone brick, put a stone brick stairs right there, put a smooth stone slab. You can use, of course, any color to do for that where the smooth sandstone is. Put some buttons on the black concrete. I like to put a torch for light, but of course you can put whatever you want there. Put some levers on the sides there. I also forgot to mention too, Grafton carpet. There you go, so that way you can see it. And that will be your seat. And that will be all. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.